Wonder how to turn your creative passion into a $5,000 business on Etsy? Here's a Q&A guide to get you started. Almost any hobby can be monetized on Etsy, as long as there's demand. Research your niche for popularity. To set up your shop, create an Etsy account, choose a memorable name, list products, set payment details, and launch. Research similar products on Etsy, use tools like Marmalade or eRank, and test ideas on social media. To price for $5,000 a month. Sell 100 items at $50 each or 200 at $25. Factor in costs and profit margins. Promote your shop using Etsy SEO, run ads, and leverage social media. Collaborate with influencers and offer discounts. Consider selling digital products for passive income. They require little ongoing effort post-creation. Handle customer service by responding quickly, providing clear policies, and resolving issues with a customer-first mindset. Scale to $5,000 per month by focusing on best sellers, batching creations, and considering outsourcing. Many sellers earn $5,000 per month by staying consistent and adapting to trends. Your success depends on dedication. Treat your Etsy shop like a business. Stay proactive and continuously improve your offerings. Follow these steps to turn your hobby into a thriving Etsy shop and earn $5,000 or more every month.